Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create shortcut for sound settings control panel in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button somewhere on the desktop, and then you need to go to New and select here Shortcut. Now on type the location of the item, you need to paste this one text. I included it in description of this video. After that you need to click Next button, and here you need to type a name for this shortcut. So for example, I type here sound control panel and then I press finish button. We can click right mouse button here and we can go to properties. Then I recommend you to change it to shortcut, and now I click change icon button and I will change icon for this file. So for example, I select this one icon and I press OK and I click apply and I click OK. Now you can double click on this one icon, and how you see sound control panel has been successfully displayed here. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.